The two paragraphs, about the two paragraphs. Now I will tell that this lesson is about the famous Santali playwright, writer and poet Raghunath Murmu. The name of his village is Danbos. He would come to his village on Makar holidays. Danbos is a few kilometers away from Rairangpur town. Rairangpur is in Mayurbhanj district. After his education, he was working at Baripada. In those days, he was the only educated man in his area. So, the Santas came to him and told their problems. Raghunath Murmu solved their problems. So, the nearby village people or Santal tribal peoples also came there. The second paragraph, the Santals came there and the old man came to him. He wanted Raghunath Murmu to read a letter for him. He carried the letter by tying it tightly to one end of his cloth. The letter was from his cousin who was living at Midnapur in West Bengal. Then Raghunath Murmu could not read the letter because it was written in Bengali. Santali language was used, but the letter was written in Bengali script. The cousin wrote in Bengali script because there was no script for Santali language. That fact, there was no script for Santali language. To hear this word, the old man was surprised. That fact, there was no script for Santali language. It made Raghunath Murmu unhappy. Then Raghunath Murmu invented Santali script. The Santali script is called as Ol Chiki. So he was the founder, he was the father of the Santali script. Now, students, now discuss about the comprehension question. Question number 26. What did the Odisha Sahitya Academy award him for? What did the Odisha Sahitya Academy award him for? The Odisha Sahitya Academy awarded him for his contribution. The Odisha Sahitya Academy language and literature. Next, what has the government of Odisha done in his honor? In order to honor him, in order to honor him, the government of Odisha has named, the government of Odisha name update. Odisha has named the medical college at Baripada, the medical college at Baripada after his name. Next, who is Raghunath Murmu compared to? Raghunath Murmu is compared to Fakir Mohan Senapati. Raghunath Murmu is compared to Fakir Mohan Senapati. Next, how they are equal. Fakir Mohan Senapati had a great contribution to Odia language and literature. Fakir Mohan Senapati had a great contribution to Odia language and literature. Similarly, Raghunath Murmu had a great contribution. Raghunath Murmu had a great contribution to Santali language and literature. Santali language and literature. Santali language and literature. Yes, I like Raghunath Murmu. Yes, I like Raghunath Murmu. Raghunath Murmu. Because he has contributed, because he was a great writer and he had a great, because he had a great contribution, he had a great contributed to the growth of literature. A great contributor to the growth of literature, growth of Santali language and literature. Literature. He had a great contribution to the Santali language and literature. Though he was famous, Santali language, he was a writer, he was a player, he was a novelist. So he was, I like Raghunath Murmu. He was a great writer. Students, practice the question answer comprehension question in your notebook. Thank you.